What we're going to be doing is channeling awareness into specific spots of the body to train our consciousness to become more aware of the energy that's happening. As we said in the philosophy video, the energy flows where the attention goes. So wherever you place your awareness, energy is going to accumulate. And this exercise is going to help you to become sensitive to that energy and to eventually learn how to feel it spiritually as well as physically. So we're going to start on the hands. So you're laying down comfortably, you're on your back, your hands are facing palm upward, and you're going to, with your eyes closed, you're going to externalize your mind into your hands. Remember, mind and body must become one and the same thing. Eliminate all distinction between mind and body. Your hands are your mind. So left hand becomes left brain, right hand becomes right brain. Place all of your awareness into your hands, how your hands feel in this very moment, and don't pay attention to anything else. Like has previously been stated, you only have so much awareness, though we're always growing in that attribute. But in order to gain more awareness in your hands, awareness must be subtracted from other places. So become less aware of your feet, become less aware of the comfortable bed pressing against your back, become less aware of your head, and most importantly, become less aware of your thoughts and more aware of your hands. And then just pay attention to the sensations that begin to happen as you hold your awareness in your hands. And guys, believe me, this isn't easy at first to train your consciousness to do this. The human mind is very flighty, always moving from one thing to the next. It is very hard at first for us to focus on one single thing without the mind being distracted and pulled off in some other direction. So at first, as you're developing in this, that's going to happen, but do not be frustrated by it. Be patient, stick with it, and you will get the results. So you're holding your focus, your awareness in your hands, and as you do so, your electromagnetic soul energy, your living light, is going to be able to begin to accumulate in mass and density in that area. And so now I want you to pay attention to the types of sensations that you have. Do you feel heat or warmth? Do you feel a coolness? Are you starting to feel a type of electrical tingling within the nervous system of the hands? Or are you beginning to get magnetic sensations, like your hands are magnetized? And when you get one of these three sensations, I want you to try to bridge the gap from feeling it physically into feeling it spiritually, by remembering that you are the energy, the living light that you are experiencing. So allow your mind to depart from the nervous system of the body and interpreting the energy that way to actually fusing itself within the energy so that you can begin to feel it spiritually.